The topped-on Phoenix XLink Scan Tool is an advanced diagnostic device perfect for professionals seeking comprehensive ECU programming capabilities, especially for BMW and Benz vehicles. Featuring intuitive topology mapping, this tool provides a complete visualization of vehicle systems, enhancing troubleshooting efficiency with its high-speed scanning capabilities. With its ability to perform bidirectional control and full system diagnostics across 168 brands, it effectively identifies issues and offers detailed reports. It integrates specialized guidance for VAG models and secure auto-auth access for FCA vehicles, ensuring a streamlined diagnostic process for Chrysler, Jeep, Alfa Romeo, and Fiat models post-2017. Equipped with over 40 maintenance functions, this device simplifies routine automotive tasks, reducing the need for multiple specialized tools. The Phoenix XLink offers longevity with 2 years of free updates, a comprehensive set of connectors, a large display, and robust battery life, making it a reliable choice for extended use.